Hi everyone, welcome to Harsha Trainings. I am Harsha. I am a Pega trainer at Harsha Trainings. I hope all of you are attending Pega classes, and so far we are done with 3 classes. Demo sessions. In these 3 demo sessions, we discussed about what is Pega and what is its use, and what is BPM and how Pega is related to BPM. Also, we have sorted out all the doubts and queries of the students about their career gap, or maybe about their job opportunities, certifications, all this. And apart from this, I have also explained about the process that we follow here. And next one is, what do we provide during this course and what kind of support you get during and after the course. All this information was being delivered to the students. Oh, okay. Now on Monday, so the next class will be on Monday, which means today is Friday in India, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, Saturday, Sunday. This Saturday, Sunday, there is no class. Usually the regular classes will be from Monday to Friday only, and Saturday, Sunday will not be there. If any time I conduct, I will update you 1 or 2 weeks before only. And the next one is, like, the next session will be on Monday. That will be the first class of regular session. See, there is like today also I told many students, they feel like not to come to the class on Mondays. That's the usual tendency of the people. So please don't fall into that. Kindly I request all of you, never miss the Monday session at any cost. Monday will be the first session. We will be discussing about what is application, and then what are types of applications, and advantage of creating different types of applications, and some introduction and information, real useful information about the real-time project that we are going to start from Monday. So you are going to get Pega rules, process, command environment introduction on that day only. So never miss the class on Monday at any cost. So Monday class being the first session, okay, we are going to start our journey from Monday onwards into learning Pega. And next one is that, and if any one of you, if you did not attend last 3 days, still no worries, you can start from Monday onwards. But during this Saturday, Sunday, if possible, watch those 3 videos and start from Monday. Even if you are not able to watch those videos, still you can start attending from Monday. You will be able to understand. So I request not to miss the session on Monday at any cost. And online students, the meeting link will be same, and classroom students, please come to the classroom as usual. Kindly remember one thing, online students, you are connecting after the session. So remember, if you miss for first 5 minutes, you will not be able to understand the rest 55 minutes. So I request all of you to be please available 5 minutes before to the class. That punctuality should be there to a person to be successful. Remember that, okay? And hope I'm going to meet all of you on Monday sharp 10:55 AM we will meet, and 11 o'clock session will begin. Okay, see you, bye.